All right, so for far too long, I've been renting my cable modem from BlueStream Internet Services. And, at $12 a month, that's added up over the lifetime. I probably could have bought my own modem like 2 or 3 times by now. So trying to control monthly expenditures, I think it's time now, even though service has been good with their supplied modem, to replace it with my own. So in today's video, we're going to replace the supplied BlueStream modem with this Arris S33. This one doesn't have any Wi-Fi capabilities because we're going to be hooking this up to my UDM-Pro SE from Ubiquiti, which provides all the Wi-Fi that I need in the house. So I just needed something very, very fast to do just one job, which is to provide a fast linkage from my cable service to my UDM-Pro SE, which is going to handle the rest of the networking activities. So I'm going to use this 2.5 gigabit port, which should future-proof me if I ever get anything faster than gigabit service from BlueStream down the road. And it also includes Docsis 3.1, which should make it compatible for BlueStream according to them, as well as other providers like Cox, Spectrum, and XFinity. So this side of the box is exactly what we're trying to do today, surf faster and save money. So let's open up the box and see what is supplied by Arris here. So there's our Arris surfboard modem. Again, this is the S33 model. It's much smaller than the one it's replacing, and it's in white. Again, on the back, the yellow port is for the higher speed 2.5 gigabit connection, and the lower one is for 1 gigabit. Here's your coax port and DC power in. According to some reviews, these modems do get kind of hot, so make sure you're well ventilated. So for our next steps, we'll go ahead and connect this to power and see what settings we have to play with. So the instructions make it sound pretty simple. It's a matter of plugging in power and the coax cable to the surfboard modem. And then I guess the preferred method here is to download the Surfboard Central app onto your phone, and it guides you through some sort of guided setup. So let's give that a shot and see how it works out. So we'll put our DC power in first. And we'll disconnect the cable from the existing Arris modem. So now we'll connect this coax cable to the back of the coax connector on the modem. So we're installing the Surfboard Central app now that we have a solid blue light on the modem. All right, so we don't have a mesh or a surfboard gateway. It's just a surfboard modem, which is an ISP cable connected without Wi-Fi. So that's what we'll select and hit next. There's our S33, and then next. Set up an account. Okay, so we connected our coax and our power. All right, so it looks like BlueStream's not included in the list of default internet service providers inside of the Arris app, but that's okay. We can use this option to self-activate. So to self-activate with BlueStream Fiber, all I had to do was call their support phone number, ask to speak to tech support, and they were very helpful. All I had to do was give them the MAC address of the modem. They did whatever they do on their side to register the modem on my account. And then within about 5 to 10 minutes, I was able to get an IP address. And once BlueStream registered my modem, I did need to change some of the settings inside of my UniFi Network application. So right now I'm under the settings gear, and if you click on your primary WAN 1 interface and look down here, I needed to change mine to use DHCP v4 because before I was using a more complex one where it wasn't just a modem, it was a gateway router. And if you have your own DNS servers, like right now I have 2 Pi holes on the network. Those are my primary and secondary DNS servers, so you can fill those out in these fields so that you can get network-wide ad blocking if you want to. But once you do that, you should be all set to go. And so now if we do a speed test, just to make sure that we have parity with speed as before, I was always getting in somewhere between 800 and 950 or so megabits per second on the download and about 31 megabits per second or so on the upload. Depends on the time of day and what else is going on my network at the time. So this is about normal. Speeds have not gotten better or worse with the new modem, but I am saving money, and that's always good. So if you want to embark on the process of changing out your own rented modem for your cable plan with one that you provide, I hope this video was helpful to show you the process there and that it wasn't so bad. So if this saved you a little bit of money, let me know in the comments section. Click on the like button if you found this video helpful, and consider subscribing to my channel for more great tech videos. Thanks for watching.